you guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to Style with Sakshi. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. Welcome back to part 2 of the ultimate guide of homegrown brands and shouting out homegrown brands and basically made in India brands. And if you know me, you know that Style Me Up with Sakshi equals to supporting homegrown brands just from the start, even before it was trending here on Instagram and YouTube. Trust me, I have worked and kind of promoted a lot of and even shown you guys more than 300-400 brands, homegrown brands, made in India brands. So trust me, yeah, आपका one-stop destination है when it comes to actually buying stuff and getting to know some really good brands. Let's start. But before we start, please hit the subscribe button. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा motivation मिलती है to make more videos. And YouTube is my baby. I love YouTube. I love making my YouTube videos and I love you guys. My YouTube community is hands down the best. So please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and the bell notification sign. Let's get started. So the first brand that we're going to be talking about is called Zachi. Now Zachi is very dear to me because we worked together during the SMU XLBB collaboration and a lot of pieces in my collection were from Zachi. I love Zachi for its bodysuits and polka dots. I think they are killer at it. I've worn their bodysuits in so many of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you their polka dot collection. I love these two things. They're so beautiful. The pink top is actually, it's like bubble gum and it's so good. Plus they're size inclusive. Actually every brand that I've shown in my part 1 and part 2 that you're watching right now, they're all size inclusive brands. So अगर आप जैसे भी size के हो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आपको अपने size मिल जाएगा बड़े आराम से. I feel like a salesperson all of a sudden, but it's a really good brand and it is super affordable. Most of the things are from the range of 240 rupees to 2000 rupees. So it's extremely affordable and super nice in quality. Last but definitely not the least, let's end the haul with some juttis and footwear. I found this brand with the most amazing and comfortable juttis. I think with juttis it is very important to stay comfortable. Punjla juttis are so good, plus you can find this size and they have such cool designs. I'm the one who goes for like basic juttis. Like I can't go for colorful ones because मेरे सारे outfits जितने ज़्यादा colorful होते हैं, I have to go for some like basic juttis. I personally really like basic juttis, so I got these two. I'm really happy with the quality. I think the sole is quite nice. It's quite comfortable. Plus juttis can be really uncomfortable if you get like cheap ones. This one is super good. इनकी juttis by the way 1500 से start होती हैं and 15000 तक भी जाती हैं. So you get like a huge variety of juttis. Please go check them out. Well, that's about it, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this haul plus ultimate guide of, showing you guys homegrown brands. I've really enjoyed filming this process. I know it's been very tiring. 3 दिन से सिर्फ इसी को film करने के चक्कर में लगी पड़ी हूँ. Seriously, I think I'm pretty exhausted at this point. But I hope this series gave you a very good insight on the kind of brands that you need to support. I think we need to change our priorities right now. Even if Shein बंद हो गया, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? या फिर कोई और brand बंद हो गए, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Let's go support some local designers, not just local, just homegrown Indian brands. Main बात जो ये है कि इस टाइप पे I think अगर हम पैसे spend कर ही रहे हैं तो वो country में ही रहे. थोड़ा बहुत तो country में ही रहना चाहिए. I know I promote a lot of Shein also. I wear a lot of Shein. I'm very fond of a lot of international brands also. It doesn't mean that I'm going to stop wearing those brands, but it only means that for right now and just to give you guys an option because that's my job to do. I'm giving you options, so many options of brands to choose from. Definitely go check them out and definitely let me know which one was your favorite, and if you ever tried their products, please do let me know. I would love to hear your reviews as well. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love for you to do that as well. And Instagram पे जाके follow कर लो यार, because हर रोज एक new video निकाल रही हूँ मैं Instagram पे, fashion video. मतलब it is thebomb.com. If you not follow me on Instagram, it's just at Style Me Up with Sakshi. Well, that's about it, you guys. बस ये बोलना था, सब्सक्राइब कर लो, नोटिफिकेशन बस. ओके, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, स्टे हैप्पी, ऑलवेज स्टे स्माइलिंग एंड सपोर्ट homegrown brands. I'll see you guys later. Bye.